And look at that air filter. Let's do it. First thing we're gonna do is take this seat off because I took it off a couple months ago. My daughter's owned this bike for, geez, probably 10 years. And I thought, geez, I've never done any maintenance. My dad bought it for her. He's never done any maintenance. It spent most of its time at my dad's house. Airbox. To no one's surprise, there is a colony of mice in there. And look at that air filter. Okay, it's looking a lot better in there. We'll get that old filter out of there. Our new FridayParts filter put in. The old girl probably seen better days. Brutal. Alright, we vacuumed out the airbox and sprayed it down with a little brake clean and give it a wipe. Hopefully this filter fits. I haven't tried it yet. She's tightening up good now. We got the airbox all buttoned up. Now we're gonna remove that back seat permanently. Then we're gonna put on that brand new seat. Okay, the seat's ready to come off. Just taking this off is gonna make a big difference in the looks of the bike. Now it's time to put on that new seat from FridayParts. She gonna fit? Oh yeah, I think she's gonna fit. Boy, look at that. Seat fits tight. Pulling on it, shake the whole bike. There's a little gap there, but I find when I push on it, it closes up and then it's got like a suction cup. So maybe once I sit on it enough, it might form better, but damn, that looks nice. Gonna be riding in comfort. Oh yeah, nice.